In today's video, we're going to be looking at a 24-volt go-kart from Akeleo. We're going to get it assembled and take it out for a spin to show you how this go-kart works, and it even works off-road. All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we have something a little bit different today. So this is going to be a 24-volt go-kart that was sent to me to do a quick review on. So when you get this, it is going to require some assembly, but it's only going to take you about 25 to maybe about 45 minutes to get this together. It does come with tools and everything inside of it to help you put this together, but you will need a flathead screwdriver. And it does have the battery located, as you see there, in the back of it. It took me about 25 minutes or so to get this together, and I just kind of let it charge overnight. And here it is put together, as you guys see here, and it does come with a seat belt and everything as well. Now, what I do like about this is that it does have a USB port that you can put on there, and also Bluetooth as well. Now, when you go to start this up, it does make a little engine noise. And then you do have the functionality of music that's already embedded into it as well. You got a USB port, and you can also hook this up to Bluetooth too. And then you also have your speeds. There is a low speed and a high speed. The low speed is going to be at 3.5 miles per hour. The high speed is going to be at 11 miles per hour. Now, I did have one of my friends out there. We let his girls ride in this for just a bit, and this thing rode, I think we drove it for over an hour. We were out there for a long time. We were kind of impressed about how long the battery lasted with this. Now, everyone actually rode on it a couple times. He had both his daughters there, and then we rode on it as well. Now, what you see here is them riding this at the low speed, which is about 3.5 miles per hour. They're going uphill there. And it took them just a few, I guess maybe 5 or so minutes to kind of get used to this as well. And at first they didn't want to crash it, but then they started getting used to it. And then next thing you know, we were talking and we looked over and they both kept switching turns and riding this back and forth. And here they are riding around it. It was kind of funny because you guys see, if you can pay attention to this, that the day is kind of fading away. This is closer to the evening. Like I said, they kept taking turns on riding it. And then I got in it. Now, this has a weight limit of 150 pounds, and I'm about 167 or so. So an adult can ride in it, but it's not really too much recommended because it does put a lot more strain on it. So I was able to ride on it for about maybe 3 or 4 minutes, and then it did cut off. But it didn't cut off to where it couldn't work. It just shut down. And then we actually just turned it off and turned it back on. It was able to work again. So here I am still riding around trying to have a little fun with it out there in the middle of the parking lot. And one thing it does do is it does drift. So when your foot comes off of the accelerator, it does kind of spin out and do a drift. So there you see me there. And I am riding this at, I think it was the high speed, because I wasn't going to go low speed. Low speed was going to be too much strain on it. And then you'll see here that from my friends out there, Ivan, he gave it a try too. So here he is in riding it. So like I said, it can support an adult. I just don't recommend, if you're over 150 pounds like we both are, not to ride it for a long period of time with that. But here they are, they got back on and they were just taking turns back and forth. So they did have a good time riding in this. And what I'm showing you here is I'm showing you the raw footage of this because I want you guys to see how it performs. Now, after they got used to it, they did go from the low speed mode up to the high speed mode. So they went from the 3.5 miles per hour up to the 11 miles per hour. You guys can see the increase in speed there. Now, this is kind of going uphill and downhill. So it's going uphill there. See, it is going a little bit slower, but that is in a lower mode. Now, one thing they did, I didn't even think about, you know, kids are creative. I think it worked. They took this off-road, what you see here. Now, I can't recall. I think they were in the high speed mode driving this off-road. I'm not 100% sure. But this runs off-road too. Here they are riding in some grass with this. You know, kids are pretty creative with this. So I wanted to show this to you that you can drive this in a grassy area. Probably not a wet grassy area, but it was a nice dry day here in Georgia. Now, they also have a video on YouTube that shows you how to put this together as well. So I'll put a link down below in the description as well if you guys want to go over there and check out that full video for this. But all in all, we were out there. We had a good time. We were out there for a couple hours, and we got to ride this around, and I just couldn't believe this could run off-road. All right, y'all, so I'll leave a link below in the description. You can get this for $379. It's not a bad deal, especially considering it's got 2 motors in it. It's got 2 speeds for the low speed and then a high speed as well. And it comes with, of course, a 24-volt battery and stuff for it. And then here's going to be a couple more specs with it too if you guys are looking for some specifications and stuff like that for it. Now, you can run a 6S LiPo on it because it's 24 volts. A 6S LiPo is 22.1 volts. So maybe put a little power into this or something at some point in time. Maybe we'll go back and revisit this in the future. But these girls had a good time once they got used to it and driving around. So that's something I wanted to show to you guys. And of course, we had a drone and stuff following them too as well. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you watching.